अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। Welcome to lesson number 69 of our study of Balagha. And inshallah, we are going to continue with the last of the connectors that tells us that the sentence is a metaphor, that is majaz and mursal, because there is not analogy, direct analogy, there is no direct similarity or mushabih. So today we are going to continue with al-haliya. So in the world of eloquence, Arabic doesn't just speak, it paints. It gives life to feelings and turns invisible realities into vivid images. Today, we are going to explore a very subtle and expressive tool, again, from the treasures of this rhetoric, something that doesn't name the place directly, but instead points to what's inside that place, leaving you to feel its depth. It's called Majazul Mursal. You can say you can add alaqatuhu al-haliya, where the thing present in a place is mentioned, but what's actually intended is the place itself. So it's just the opposite of mahalliya. So we are just going to unfold this jam together, inshallah. So let's have a recap that what we have learned so far. We started with Majaz, Lohi. There are two types, al istihara and Majaz al Mursal. We started with the connectors that tells us that this is a metaphor, that is Majaz al Mursal, and there is no direct analogy. And we started with all the connectors. Alhamdulillah, we are done with all the connectors now. And today, inshallah, we are with the last one. We already completed with a sababiyya, al musababiyya, then a juziyya, al kulliyya, itibar ma kana, itibar ma yakunu, al mahalliyya, and now we are at haliya. So let's continue with haliya. This is when something is used to um, refer to um, refer to a place. But let's see here. The examples that we are going to see from the Quran, and also let's just understand that what is this. Here we are referring to the place by the thing present in it. So this is, as already mentioned, that this is Majaz al-Mursal with a connection of al-Haliya. So uh, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you can say when Arabic wants to talk about a place, it might instead mention what is inside that place, and the listener understands what's truly meant. So here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Amma lazina," in this ayah, "Amma lazina biyadda wujuhum fafi rahmatillahi hum fiha khalidun." Uh, the translation says, and for those whose faces will become white, they will be in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. That's paradise, therein they shall dwell forever. This is from Surah Al Imran, ayah number 107. So, in this example, فَفِي رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. We just think that can someone dwell inside mercy? We know that mercy is not a physical place. So what does this really mean? It means paradise, because paradise is a place of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. So here mercy is mentioned, but the place where mercy is found, that is Jannah, that is paradise, is actually intended. So this is a perfect example of Majaz Mursal Alaqatuhu Al-Haliya, where the hal, the state or quality, refers to the mahal, refers to the place. And that is the beauty of this Majaz Mursal Alaqatuhu Al-Haliya. This is a very beautiful example because mm, like if you're going to hear someone the next time you hear someone is in mercy and fear or in joy, know that the Arabic can turn that emotion into a location. Even paradise itself. So, through Majaz Mursal Al Haliya, the language invites us to think deeper, not just about where we are, but what surrounds us in that place. It's a reminder that sometimes the best way to describe a home is by describing the feeling inside it. So, this is an absolutely beautiful example of Al Haliya, and this is Majaz Al Mursal, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just telling us with the with this with his mercy that all the people whose faces are white, they are going to be, they have this eternal place called paradise. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, this majaz mursal with a connection of al haliya is reminding us that in Arabic, meanings don't just stand alone, they are wrapped in context, enriched by imagination, and carried by powerful relationships. So, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to taste the sweetness of this language, not just in words, but in the realities they point to. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.